Good morning everyone, Kamran here from St-Laurent Jeep and Ram. Today I'm going to show you our 2018 Raptor that we just got on trade and it's sitting in the showroom. Look at this beauty from top to bottom, front to back. You won't find a single scratch. It's been very well maintained, well driven by the previous owner. Nice orange trimmed leather seats with cooled and vented features, dual pane panoramic sunroof, trailer brake control, 360 camera, hard tonneau cover, off-road style side steps. You have big nice polished aluminum wheels, and let me show you how huge the back seat is on this. Look at that. The SuperCrew, you have lots of room. You can literally walk into the back seat of this car and look at that gorgeous interior. Super nice, user-friendly, driver-focused interior. 450 horsepower, 3.5 liter engine. We have it priced at $85,000. The best deal you'll find in Canada. Come on up, guys. Check it out. 900 St-Laurent Blvd, and take a closer look at it. Thank you.